Welcome! Are you looking for the best action cameras this year? You're in the right place. We've done the hard work of researching and testing the top 5 action cameras on the market so you can make an informed decision. Whether you're a professional athlete. Number 5. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 is a modular action camera with a compact body and impressive 4K video capabilities. It features a 1:7 complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, f2.8 lens with a 155 field of view, 4K/120p video, 12 megapixel photo, 32 GB of internal memory, 1.76 organic light emitting diode touchscreen, electronic image stabilization up to 60 frames per second, waterproof down to 10 meter without a case, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Additionally, it offers new features such as horizon steady and rock steady stabilization, hyperlapse, time-lapse, 8x slow-mo, and lapse control. With all these features, the DJI Action 2 is a great choice for action camera enthusiasts. Number 4. AKASO Brave 8. The AKASO Brave 8 action camera is an upgraded version of the Brave 7 LE and features a powerful 1/2 complementary metal oxide semiconductor image sensor and quad-pixel technology with a 9-layer glass lens array. It is IPX8 waterproof and can be used underwater up to 33 feet, 10 meter, without a case. It also comes with super smooth stabilization and Super 16x slow-mo for a more stable video and photo experience. The camera also supports a range of views, face metering mode, and comes with a remote control with screen and stand helmet accessories. Additionally, it comes with 2 rechargeable 1,550 mAh batteries and a valuable accessories kit compatible with most cameras. Number 3. Insta360 GO 2. The Insta360 GO 2 is a small, pill-like camera with rounded edges that is just slightly larger than a USB drive. It has one button on the front which can be used to start recording video or take a photo. It also has an LED light which indicates when the camera is recording. It comes with several accessories including a magnetic pendant for wearing the camera and a clip for attaching it to a hat or dashboard. It can record video at resolutions up to 2880 by 2880 and 30 frames per second and can record up to 30 minutes without stabilization or 10 minutes with flow state stabilization. Photos taken with the Insta360 GO 2 are good, but lack detail compared to other cameras. The camera is water resistant and can be worn under clothing, although it becomes hot to the touch when in use. Number 1. Insta360 RS. Insta360 RS Twin Edition is an action camera and 360 camera in one with interchangeable lenses. It features 4K boost lens and 5.7K 360 lens, as well as flow state stabilization and 48 megapixel photos, 6K widescreen video, and active high dynamic range video. The 360 lens also provides invisible selfie stick capability for drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. This package includes one 4K boost lens, one 360 lens, and one RS core.